Jordan Peterson, How to Live a Life Worth Living. Jordan Peterson's ideas on living a meaningful life are primarily based on his psychological and philosophical perspectives. Some key concepts he often discusses include: in Jordan Peterson's view, taking responsibility is a cornerstone of living a meaningful life. Here's a deeper look into what this means. Personal accountability. Peterson argues that taking responsibility means owning up to your actions and their consequences. This involves acknowledging your role in your successes and failures, rather than blaming external factors or other people. Self-improvement. Responsibility isn't just about managing current issues. It's also about striving for personal growth. This means actively working on self-improvement, addressing your weaknesses, and setting goals to better yourself. Facing challenges. By taking responsibility, you're more likely to confront and deal with life's challenges rather than avoiding them. Peterson suggests that facing difficulties head-on contributes to personal development and resilience. Setting an example. When you take responsibility for your own life, you often set a positive example for others. This can inspire those around you to adopt a similar approach, creating a ripple effect of accountability and growth. Meaning and purpose. Responsibility can imbue life with meaning. By taking charge of your actions and choices, you create a sense of purpose and direction. Peterson believes that this sense of meaning is crucial for a fulfilling life. Overall, Peterson's call to take responsibility is about reclaiming control over your own life and using that control to create a more purposeful and meaningful existence. Jordan Peterson's advice to pursue meaning rather than happiness is rooted in his belief that meaning provides a deeper, more lasting sense of fulfillment than the pursuit of happiness alone. Here's a breakdown of this concept. Meaning versus happiness. Peterson differentiates between fleeting happiness and enduring meaning. Happiness is often a temporary emotional state that can be influenced by external circumstances, while meaning is found through purposeful engagement with life's challenges and responsibilities. Value of challenges. According to Peterson, meaningful pursuits often involve overcoming difficulties and facing challenges. These experiences can lead to personal growth and a sense of accomplishment that goes beyond temporary pleasure. Responsibility and purpose. He argues that meaning is often found in taking on responsibilities and contributing to something greater than oneself. This could involve work, relationships, or personal projects that align with your values and goals. Long-term fulfillment. While happiness can be transient, meaningful activities provide a more sustainable source of satisfaction. Engaging in activities that align with your values and contribute to personal or communal goals can lead to a deeper sense of fulfillment. Existential perspective. Peterson's view is also influenced by existential philosophy, which suggests that finding meaning in life's inherent struggles can lead to a more profound and enduring sense of purpose. Rather than seeking constant happiness, embracing the challenges and responsibilities of life can create a more substantial sense of meaning. In essence, Peterson's advice is about shifting the focus from seeking immediate pleasure to engaging in activities and responsibilities that provide long-term purpose and significance. Set your house in order is one of Jordan Peterson's key principles for leading a meaningful life. This idea emphasizes the importance of personal stability and responsibility before attempting to address larger or external issues. Here's what it entails. Personal stability. Before seeking to change the world or solve grand problems, Peterson advises focusing on getting your own life in order. This includes addressing personal issues, organizing your environment, and establishing a sense of order and control in your daily life. Self-reflection. Setting your house in order involves self-reflection and self-assessment. It means evaluating your own behavior, habits, and relationships to identify areas that need improvement. Practical steps. This principle encourages taking practical steps to create a stable foundation. This might involve managing your finances, improving your health, setting clear goals, or resolving personal conflicts. Responsibility and accountability. By setting your house in order, you take responsibility for your own life and actions. This self-accountability is crucial for personal growth and creating a reliable and stable environment for yourself and those around you. Impact on others. Peterson believes that having your own life in order makes you more effective in dealing with larger issues and in contributing positively to the world. When you are organized and responsible, you are better equipped to handle external challenges and to help others. Psychological and emotional health. Organizing your personal life can also improve your psychological and emotional well-being. Creating a sense of order and addressing personal issues can reduce stress and increase your overall sense of control and stability. Overall, Set Your House in Order is about building a solid foundation in your personal life before attempting to address broader or more complex issues. It's a call to focus on self-improvement and responsibility as a precursor to making a meaningful impact in the world. Speak the truth is another central principle in Jordan Peterson's philosophy. It emphasizes the importance of honesty and integrity in both personal and public life. Here's a deeper look into what this principle involves. Honesty with yourself. Peterson suggests that speaking the truth begins with being honest with yourself. This means acknowledging your own flaws, desires, and motivations rather than deceiving yourself or avoiding uncomfortable truths. Honesty with others. In interactions with others, Peterson advocates for clear and truthful communication. This includes being straightforward and transparent, even when the truth is difficult or uncomfortable to share. The importance of integrity. Speaking the truth is closely linked to maintaining personal integrity. Peterson believes that honesty fosters trust and respect in relationships and helps build a foundation of moral character. Avoiding lies and deception. Peterson warns against the dangers of lying and deception, both for oneself and for others. Lies can lead to a loss of trust, internal conflict, and a distorted view of reality. Speaking the truth helps to avoid these negative consequences. Confronting difficult issues. Peterson acknowledges that speaking the truth often requires confronting difficult or controversial issues. While this can be challenging, he argues that facing these issues head-on is necessary for personal growth and societal progress. Building authentic relationships. Truthful communication is crucial for building and maintaining genuine relationships. Peterson argues that honesty creates a solid foundation for meaningful connections with others, as it promotes authenticity and mutual respect. Moral clarity. By adhering to the principle of truthfulness, individuals can achieve greater moral clarity and navigate complex situations with a clearer sense of right and wrong. In essence, Speak the Truth is about embracing honesty in all aspects of life, recognizing its role in personal integrity, meaningful relationships, and societal well-being. Peterson views truthfulness as a fundamental aspect of living a principled and fulfilling life. Adopting a strong work ethic is another key principle in Jordan Peterson's philosophy. He views work and diligence as central to personal success and fulfillment. Here's a closer look at this concept. Value of hard work. Peterson emphasizes that hard work is crucial for achieving long-term goals and personal growth. A strong work ethic involves dedication, persistence, and the willingness to put in the effort required to achieve your objectives. Discipline and routine. Developing a strong work ethic often requires creating and sticking to disciplined routines. Peterson advocates for structuring your time effectively and committing to a regular work schedule to build habits of productivity and reliability. Responsibility and accountability. A strong work ethic includes taking responsibility for your tasks and projects. Peterson suggests that being accountable for your work and following through on commitments is essential for earning respect and achieving success. Resilience and perseverance. Overcoming obstacles and setbacks is a key aspect of a strong work ethic. Peterson encourages resilience in the face of challenges, viewing persistence and perseverance as vital qualities for reaching your goals. Pride and craftsmanship. Peterson believes that taking pride in your work and striving for excellence are important components of a strong work ethic. Whether your work is large or small, approaching it with care and dedication enhances its value and contributes to a sense of accomplishment. Impact on self-esteem. Engaging in hard work and meeting your goals can positively impact your self-esteem and confidence. Peterson argues that seeing the results of your efforts reinforces your sense of competence and purpose. Contribution to society. A strong work ethic not only benefits you personally, but also contributes to the greater good. By working diligently, you contribute to your community and society, making a positive impact on the world around you. In summary, adopting a strong work ethic involves committing to hard work, discipline, and responsibility. Peterson believes that these qualities are essential for personal development, achieving success, and finding fulfillment in life. Engaging in constructive relationships is a crucial principle in Jordan Peterson's philosophy. He emphasizes the importance of building and maintaining positive, supportive relationships for personal growth and overall well-being. Here's a detailed look at this concept. Quality of relationships. Peterson stresses the importance of surrounding yourself with people who uplift and support you. Constructive relationships are characterized by mutual respect, trust, and encouragement. They contribute positively to your life and personal development. Healthy communication. Effective and honest communication is a key aspect of constructive relationships. Peterson advocates for open dialogue, active listening, and expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly. This fosters understanding and strengthens connections. Setting boundaries. Constructive relationships involve setting and respecting boundaries. Peterson emphasizes the need to establish clear boundaries to protect your well-being and to ensure that relationships remain healthy and balanced. Mutual support. In constructive relationships, there is a mutual exchange of support and encouragement. Peterson believes that positive relationships involve both giving and receiving support, helping each other navigate challenges and celebrate successes. Conflict resolution. Addressing conflicts and disagreements constructively is important in maintaining healthy relationships. Peterson encourages approaching conflicts with a problem-solving mindset, seeking resolution through understanding and compromise rather than escalation. Personal growth. Constructive relationships can be a catalyst for personal growth. Being around people who inspire and challenge you can encourage self-improvement and broaden your perspectives. Avoiding toxic relationships. Peterson warns against engaging in relationships that are toxic or detrimental to your well-being. Toxic relationships can be marked by manipulation, dishonesty, or constant negativity, and they can hinder personal growth and happiness. Building a support network. Cultivating a network of constructive relationships can provide a strong support system. This network can offer advice, share experiences, and provide emotional support during difficult times. In summary, engaging in constructive relationships involves building connections characterized by respect, support, and effective communication. Peterson believes that these positive relationships play a significant role in personal development, emotional well-being, and overall life satisfaction. Facing challenges is a fundamental principle in Jordan Peterson's philosophy, and he views it as essential for personal growth and a meaningful life. Here's a detailed exploration of this concept. Embrace difficulties. Peterson encourages embracing challenges rather than avoiding them. He believes that confronting difficulties head-on is crucial for developing resilience, strength, and character. Growth through adversity. According to Peterson, facing challenges leads to personal growth. Difficult experiences often provide valuable lessons and opportunities for self-improvement. By navigating and overcoming obstacles, individuals build skills and gain insights that contribute to their development. Developing resilience. Facing challenges helps build emotional and psychological resilience. Peterson emphasizes that the ability to endure and overcome difficulties strengthens your capacity to handle future adversities. Finding purpose. Peterson argues that meaningful goals and purposes often involve overcoming significant challenges. By setting ambitious goals and working through obstacles, you create a sense of purpose and direction in your life. Building confidence. Successfully addressing challenges can enhance your confidence and self-esteem. Each victory, no matter how small, reinforces your belief in your own abilities and strengthens your sense of competence. Facing fears. Peterson believes that confronting and overcoming fears is a crucial part of personal growth. By addressing what scares you, you can expand your comfort zone and develop a greater sense of control over your life. Problem-solving skills. Challenges often require creative problem-solving and critical thinking. Peterson emphasizes that facing difficulties hones these skills, making you more adept at handling complex situations. Maintaining perspective. While challenges can be daunting, Peterson encourages maintaining perspective. Viewing difficulties as opportunities for growth and learning can help you stay motivated and focused on long-term goals. In summary, facing challenges is about embracing and confronting difficulties as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Peterson believes that navigating adversities builds resilience, confidence, and a sense of purpose, contributing to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. These principles are derived from his broader body of work, including his book, 12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos, which expands on many of these ideas.